One of the trucking companies that I worked with was losing money. And after a client moved his business somewhere else, that company started to make profit. That trucking company had no clue whether that client was bringing profit or loss. This is a common problem with shipping companies, and the core issue is the shipping rates. One might ask, if the shipping rates are so essential, can't we increase them to ensure profitability? Well, if the shipping rates are too high, clients will leave to find a cheaper provider. So is the answer keeping the shipping rates low? No, because that can lead to bankruptcy. Well then, is there a magical set of shipping rates that can ensure profitability? The answer again is no, because profitability depends on the number of deliveries to a given area. If the shipping rate in the circled area on the map below is $65, then having one delivery in that area at a cost of $77.88 will lead to loss. But having two deliveries in that area at a cost below $50 each will lead to profit. So, what is the best way to determine shipping rates? The answer is adaptable shipping rates. With adaptable shipping rates, you adjust the shipping rates every period, which can range from a few months to a year, based on whether the shipping rates lead to profit or loss. To understand how this is achieved, follow this diagram. We know that shipping rates determine the charges to the client for each shipment in a given area. If we know the shipment cost, then we can calculate the shipment revenue. Keeping track of the accumulated shipment revenue over time tells whether the shipping rates lead to profit or loss. If the overall revenue increases over time, then the shipping rates lead to profit. If, however, the overall revenue is decreasing over time, then the shipping rates lead to loss. Based on this graph, the shipping rates can be increased to make the overall revenue increase over time and ensure profitability. Great! Why don't we use adaptable shipping rates then? Well, implementing adaptable shipping rates is not simple. Even though one can calculate the trip travel cost from the fuel usage, driving time, and other fixed costs, one does not know the cost of each shipment separately. Fortunately, Slice of Cost enables exactly that. With Slice of Cost, one can calculate the cost of each shipment and implement an adaptable shipping rates system. Let me show you an example of splitting the trip travel cost between shipments. First, go to www.sliceofcost.com and click on Split Delivery Cost. Make sure the Place Origin option is selected and place the origin marker at the location of your warehouse. Then, make sure the Place Stop option is selected and place a stop at each delivery location. Finally, click the Split button. Slice of Cost will give you the percentage of the travel cost for each stop location. If you know the actual value of the trip travel cost, place it in the total travel cost field and then select the option Amount. This will show the actual travel cost contributed by each stop location, which you can assign to corresponding shipments. In conclusion, Shipping rates are crucial for the survival of a shipping business, and the implementation of adaptable shipping rates using slice of cost will ensure that your clients will bring you profit.